Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending August 9th, economic data and interest rate concerns caused volatility in the market, but the major indexes managed to close Friday's session on a positive note and ending pretty close to where they were at the start of the week. The ISM Services Index came in at 51.4, higher than expected, driven by the strength in the employment, new export orders, inventories, and new orders indices. The U.S. trade deficit in goods and services was $1.9 billion, lower in June, as both imports and exports increased, but exports experienced a larger increase. Sales and inventories of wholesalers increased slightly. However, there are no signs of inventory buildup across the wholesale sector overall. Initial jobless claims declined 233,000 for the week ending August 3rd, after increasing 249,000 to the highest level in 12 months last week. On the other hand, continuing claims continue to increase and are now at the highest level since November of 2021. Year to date, the Dow is up 4.8%, the S&P is up 12.04%, and the Nasdaq is up 11.55%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.94%. Oil closed at $73.92 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,029.17 an ounce, with silver closing at $27.40 an ounce. For this week of August 12th, Monday we'll get the U.S. monthly budget. Tuesday, the NFIB Optimism Index, the Producer Price Index or PPI, and Core PPI will be reported. PPI measures the average change in the selling prices received by domestic producers for their output. Core PPI excludes food and energy. It is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. Wednesday, we'll get the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and Core CPI. CPI measures the average change in prices that consumers pay for goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Thursday, initial jobless claims, retail sales, business inventories, the import price index, and industrial production all will be reported. And on Friday, housing starts, building permits, and the Home Builder Confidence Index will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.